Hello viewers, I'm Major General Neeledra Kumar for the YouTube channel Lex Concilium Foundation for the playlist Going Strong. As you are aware, this is the playlist where we speak to eminent people above the age of 80. In conversation, I'm here with Mr. K.K. Venugopal, 94. He was India's Attorney General from 2017 to 22. 3 times President of the Supreme Court Bar Association. He has edited Justice Bachawat's book on the law of arbitration, and one of the foremost constitutional law practitioners in India. It's an honor for me to speak to you, sir. My first question is, what advice would you like to give to the young law graduates that immediately after getting into the profession, what are those qualities they should imbibe, practice?
Today, the legal education is totally different from the time when I practiced, when I joined the bar. That is 1954, and 71 years back.
Yes.
Now, the law college had only part-time teachers.
Those days.
And so far as they are concerned, one day they would, the part-time teacher would be a lawyer, would teach you transfer of property. Next day he would teach jurisprudence. There was nothing like what we have today. That is, so far as moot courts are concerned, seminars, debates, internships, which is very, very important.
Yes.
And therefore, today's lawyer, when he passes out, is already trained to argue cases. While in the good old days, the graduate lawyer, first of all, had to have a mentor, a father, an uncle, or anybody else. And they took about 5 to 6 years before they could argue their first case. But today I find young lawyers who have graduated 1 year, 2 years practice, they are able to stand up and address not only the High Court judges but also the Supreme Court judges, and with confidence. And that's a tremendous change which has taken place so far as legal education in the country is concerned. And I would say there is one man who was responsible for this, and that was Dr. Madhav Menon. Unfortunately, and I think that's the greatest tragedy which has overtaken legal education. He's passing away. That's a great tragedy.
Indeed. In fact, sir, what you have said that mentorship was required, this was even in the days of Gandhi. He has written that when he came back and got up in Rajkot to argue, he says, my legs were trembling and no words came out of my mouth. And thank you very much. Connected to this, what is one quality foremost that you would advise these young practitioners to imbibe?
See, the single most important thing is hard work. Studying the textbooks. Studying the judgments which have been delivered. And whatever time you have. And that is what Abraham Lincoln said. Wherever you are, sit down with the law book and read. You have to read and read and read.
There's no shortcut to hard work. There's no shortcut to hard work.
It's just hard.
Very well. Now, I would like to ask you, it is commonly believed and accepted that you have one of the best law libraries in India and certainly in Delhi. Now, what is, when you developed and acquired this over the decades, what was your core belief and conviction behind this?
See, I believe that whatever case I had to work up, on whatever branch of law, I should have the books to study the case law, study the textbooks and the law. I had inherited an excellent constitutional law library from my father. I went on adding to it in all other branches as well. And as a result of which, I find young lawyers asking me, can we come and use your library? And they are welcome at any time to come and sit in my waiting area, take whatever book they want. My office will give it to them.
That's a great
They can study.
encouragement.
They can
That's a
study
great encouragement.
Yes.
And not only your own library, sir, I have seen, say, in Nalsar, and the help that you have given, a very generous help for the law school to get their libraries. Although we had spoken about your personal library, sir, that is there, and a mention was made that you have assisted, you have helped a number of law colleges and universities to
Establish
develop
libraries.
and
Libraries.
develop their law libraries.
I have
Yes,
I have donated the libraries themselves.
yes,
I have also donated monies
yes,
to put up also in the High Court bar libraries in different High Courts, also to the law colleges.
yes. Does that give you some sort of sense of satisfaction and that you have in that directly contributed to the growth of law?
Yes, I think
knowledge?
so.
Yes,
I think so, and I have established chairs in as many as 5 national law universities
That's
in my
remarkable.
father's name, in M.K. Nambiyar's name.
yes. That's remarkable, sir.
Regularly, in fact, yesterday Justice Rohinton
Yes,
went to Calcutta
yes,
and the NUJS,
Yes.
National University of Juridical Sciences,
West Bengal.
gave a brilliant speech
Yes,
in the 7th M.K. Nambiyar Memorial Lecture.
That's
That
right.
means 6 lectures had been given, many by foreign jurists also.
This is
Similarly, in 4 other national
law
universities
universities. Yes,
who hold regular M.K. Nambiyar lectures.
that is remarkable.
Memorial
sir.
lectures.
Yes, that's remarkable, and actually that is an example to very many others, sir.